Okay, so this is session one, lesson one, session one, and we're gonna be talking about place value, and we're gonna be rounding, just kind of like we did this past week. Okay. Okay, it says show 384 using 10 blocks. So remember the blocks on the board. So if I have this, is how much? With a whole bunch of little cubes in the center. 100, perfect. If it's 380, how many am I gonna need? 3. So then I'll make another one. I'll just put like that, 3. Okay, and then 84. How many tens am I gonna need? 80 of them or just 8? 8, because each one of those is how much? 10. So that's each one of those is how much again? 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And how many ones? 4. And they're just the little cubes like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it says to show 384 using base 10 blocks, is these right here like this. Okay. It says look at the number 384 in the place value chart. Between which two tens does it fall? Okay. So if I have 384, right? It falls between which two tens? So I'm looking just at this section right here. What? So between two tens, it's between 80 and 90, right? Between 80 and 90. However, it's 384. Okay, so it's gonna be 384 is between 380 and 390. All right. Then it says between which 200s does it fall? Between which 200s? Larissa? 300. And what's so 300 on the left side on the number line, and then what's the other hundreds ahead of it? 400. And that's all it said, right? So we said already that between which two tens does it fall? It's on your screen. It's on your paper. Between which two tens? We just said it, guys. Say it. 380 and 390, right? And then between which 200s? We just said that. 300 and 400. We just wrote them on page 5. All right. So it says look ahead. Say locating a number between two tens or 200s can help you round up or down to the nearest 10 or 100 number. When a number is halfway between two tens or 200s, the rule is to round up. So if the number to the right is 5 or greater, we round up, okay? If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it stays the same. Okay, round it to the nearest tens. So look at 8, 14, and 5 on the number line. Fill in the blanks to tell how to round these numbers up to the nearest 10. So it says, so here's 8 right here, right? Here's 8. Okay, so 8, does it round up to 0 or 10? 10. 10 goes there. Okay. 5, does it round up to 0 or 10? 0? If it's right in the middle, it goes up or down. We round up or down? We round up. So 5 is actually going to be rounded to the near to 10. Now look at 14 right here. Okay. 14, the 4 is less than 5, so we have to round down. So 14 rounds down to what? 10. Because it's actually closer to 10 than it is to 20, huh? Okay. So now rounding to the nearest hundreds, well, look at 25. Here's 25. Okay. 25. Is 25 closer to 0 or 100? Is 25 closer to 0 or 100? 0. Okay. 50. So 50, is it round up to 0? I mean, does it round up to 100 or round down to 0? 50. 100, because it's right in the middle. And then 175 right here. Here's 175. Does it round down to 100 or does it round up to 200? Okay. It's easier when you have a number line.